How to make your goals stick. Step number 1, don't overwhelm yourself. That's the worst thing you can do. When you want to try something new and you decide to do many things at the same time, but you won't do none of them. Or if you do some, it won't make any difference at the end of the day. If you really want to stick with your goals, choose one, only one, and stick with it for at least 12 months. Not 2 or 3, definitely not more than 3. You will not have time, resources, or energy enough to do all at once. So just choose one and stick to it. If you really need more, I would not recommend to do more than 3. But 1 is the perfect number to make sure you have the best results possible. Number 2, be realistic. Don't pick things that is completely impossible for anyone to do it. If you want to be successful, you need to pick something that you can do. Because if you start something that is impossible for you to do, you will give up because you will not see the results that you want to see. I mean, I agree, it's nice to have a challenge, but make sure it's possible. If you don't see yourself doing this for years, just save your time and don't do it. Don't even start. On your life, compound is king. It's no point doing something that you're just going to be doing for 1 year and then give up, never go back again. Instead, make sure that your goals and your habits are leading to something greater. And number 3, there will be many methods to do whatever you are going to do. Just choose one and stick to it. Maybe many other people telling you to do something different, but stick with what you have. Maybe if it's not working long term and you see that there is some faults, there is a way, another method that fixed what's going wrong, then you must change. But make sure you evaluate every single thing before you change and change and change again. Changing is not the problem. The problem is when you change more than you achieve. Listening to many may start conflicting with each other, and then you might not know what to do next. So choose one, only one, and stick to it. If you need to change later, change. The only thing you can do wrong is not having a plan. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.